Dilbert's playtime. He loves his pen and it's hiding from him. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Where is it? Whoops. Look, little guy. There it is. There's your pen. Your favorite pen. Where'd it go? Peekaboo. Oh, here you go, little guy. You're so cute. Here you go. Done with your pen? Time to look at ourselves? Because someone is so handsome. Look how beautiful. Yes, look at you, look at yourself. I know, look. They're saying, look at that handsome yellow and that purple little sear in the purple cheeks. I am one handsome little guy. Yes, you are, little Dilbert. You're so funny. Are you done with your pen? Are you mad at the pen it was hiding? Oh no, there we go. You little brat. You had better not throw it off the edge, my precious little guy. Oh, Dilbert. You do it on purpose. Excuse me. Yes, you. I saw you. So did everyone else. Time to look at yourself again. My silly little guy. Back to pen. Are we done today? All done? Yes, we love everybody who likes to watch you. Yes, we do. And say bye-bye. Here we go. Let's say our bye. Bye-bye.